Hello everyone, I hope everything is fine. So here we have come to a new video, and in this video we will unbox a brand new tablet. So let's get started. So this tablet is of Samsung Galaxy A7 Lite. It cost me up to 12,800 something. I purchased it from Amazon. So here we go. uh, we will cut the seal of this box, and we will proceed further. So here we have this tablet, the main material. It is up to 8.5 inches long and 4.5 inches wide. So we will switch on this, and the logo of the Samsung appeared. So the tablet is on, and we will see the features of this tablet. So this tablet um, has you can use it for your own uh, uh, purpose. I mean, if you want to play the games, you can play with it, or if you want to study with it, you can study. So it's all up to you. Look, and go to purchase this. So let's switch off this. To switch off, it has a small button, and we will see what more we have got inside. It's a cable, it, a charger, uh, and some paperwork, warranty card, and all. Thank you.